OnePlus's journey in the world of smartphones has been an interesting one. Since its entry in the market towards the end of 2014, we've seen OnePlus launch a number of blockbuster phones, with some of them even proving to be genre-defining devices. And today, we have with us the latest smartphone from the company, the OnePlus Nord 2. This is a special edition device launched to simply drum up interest in the company's Nord lineup, which till now hasn't received the same kind of love from the buyers that the company's flagship series of phones has received in the past. But will it be able to do so? And more importantly, is the phone worthy of your money? We'll try answer this and more today. But before we get to that, let me welcome you all to Digit.in, your one-stop shop for all the latest gadget reviews, tech news and more. So if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and help this video go viral by sharing it with your friends. With that out of the way, let's get to this nostalgia-inducing piece of hardware by OnePlus. So let me first give you a rundown of the specifications of the OnePlus Nord 2 Pac-Man Edition. To begin with, we have a 6.43-inch Fluid AMOLED display with support for 90Hz refresh rate. Underneath the hood, we have a MediaTek Dimensity 1200 SoC paired with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. We have a triple lens setup with a primary 50 megapixel lens and a secondary 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens and a third 2 megapixel mono lens. Keeping the device awake is a 4500 mAh battery with support for OnePlus's 65-watt fast charging. Since we've already tested the performance of the core hardware of the OnePlus Nord 2 in a detailed comparison, we will not be talking about the same in this video. Rather, we'll jump right into what makes this special edition device from OnePlus, well, special. Over the last few years, we've seen quite a few special edition phones from OnePlus. From the special editions of the OnePlus 5 series phones to the Avengers and McLaren edition of the OnePlus 6 and 7 series phones, we've been treated to some really interesting stuff from the company in the past. Having spent some time with the OnePlus Nord 2 Pac-Man Edition, I can safely say the device is definitely right up there in terms of being interesting. But in my opinion, it does a little more than just that. Compared to some of the other OnePlus Special Edition phones from the past, this one successfully manages to drum up a lot of nostalgia for millennials like me. For 90s kids who spend a lot of time growing up in gaming arcades, this Pac-Man edition of the Nord 2 will act like a time capsule that'll take them straight back to some really special days of their lives. While the degree of nostalgia may differ depending on just how big a Pac-Man nerd you are, one thing is for sure, if you ever step foot in a gaming arcade in the 90s or owned an 8-bit console at home, this special edition phone will do the trick for you. This is because OnePlus has cleverly used elements from this genre-defining game across the design and UI of the device, giving the Nord 2 Pac-Man Edition strong nostalgia feels. For example, the back panel of the phone features Pac-Man on a glossy sea green surface, which when looked at in the dark can be found stuck inside the iconic maze of the game. Or for that matter, when you put the phone on charge, a hungry Pac-Man can be found gobbling up energy as the phone's battery is charged to the brim. The last one is just one among the many Easter eggs that can be found within the custom gamified OS of the Pac-Man edition of the OnePlus Nord 2. While we're not going to talk about them in this video, we'll cover the list of our favorite Easter eggs hidden within the OS design and the packaging of the device very soon in a separate video. But the Easter eggs aside, what I will tell you is that with the use of custom Pac-Man inspired icons, animations, hidden wallpapers, and a nice phone cover, this device manages to have the desired impact when it comes to evoking nostalgia. So should you buy this device? Well, while the Pac-Man edition of the phone is high on nostalgia and offers powerful hardware, it does command a rather heavy premium for doing so. With a price tag of $37,999, OnePlus is demanding a premium for the special edition device. Yes, this is the best OnePlus Nord 2 variant which money can buy right now, but at the price, you will be in a fix on which OnePlus phone to pick. The price point makes it even more expensive than the OnePlus 9R, which perhaps makes it a tough call for a Pac-Man fan as well. Besides, the die-hard Pac-Man fan wanted to dial up on the nostalgia quotient all the way. The rest should pick the OnePlus 9R over this one at the 38K price point. So that was our take on this fun Pac-Man edition of the OnePlus Nord 2. If you like this video, share it with your friends and family. Also, hit the bell icon to make sure you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.